top 10 and states my dishwasher stopped working again. If you know the appliance repairman's coming out to take a look at your appliance, please remove all dishes, clothes, you name it, food from your refrigerator if you can. Just make it more accessible for me. I don't want to break your stuff. I looked at our records for a history on what other work had been performed on the dishwasher, and it looked like the motor's been replaced a month or so prior, but I ran it through all the procedures. Doesn't seem to be giving me any issues. I'll kind of wait for them to call and give more explanation on what is actually going wrong or what cycle it seems to be getting stuck in, but seems to be working fine. I can't fix what's not broken. All done with this one, on to the next.